Grabe talagang maraming salamat po. First time po namin dito sa Nagoya.
Kararating lang po namin kaninang umaga at inanyayahan po kami dito na mag-hello lang po sa inyong lahat.
Make me feel this way is my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman? All that I need is you.
All that I ever need.
And all that I want to do